Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First thing you want to do is slide the latches over to unlock and remove the battery. Now you're going to unscrew and remove optical drive. Now loosen Wi-Fi door screws. Then unplug antenna cables. Next, remove bottom base screws. Next, you'll loosen the hard drive door screws. Now remove hard drive caddy screws to release hard drive. Remove hard drive base screws. Next, you're going to remove rear hinge screws. Now pry open and remove power button cover. Next, unplug and remove Bluetooth card. The next thing you're going to do is remove the keyboard screws. Now slide up and remove keyboard. Now unscrew, then unplug LCD cable. Now loosen wireless cables and pull apart LCD assembly. The next thing you're going to do is remove screws from palm rest. Unplug and remove palm rest from base. Remove screws and unplug USB circuit board. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.